Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the radical 2304 by prefactorization method. No need to use the calculator. All in this video calculation getting by hand, not using a calculator. So start the finding the square root without calculator. We write the prime factorization method 2304 and from two table start. Okay, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 1 to the 2, 1 to the 2. Okay, and 1 remaining 5 to the 10 and 2 to the 4. Okay, and then 2 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 to the 10 and 1 remaining 7 to the 14 and 1 remaining 6 to the 12. Okay, and now 2 to the 4, 1 remaining 8 to the 16 and 1 remaining 8 to the 16. Okay, and 2 to the 1 to the 2, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. Okay, and 2 7 to the 14 and 2 to the 4. Okay, and 2 to the 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. Okay, and 2 1 to the 2 and 8 to the 16. Okay, and 2 9 to the 18. Okay, and so now again we not use the table of 2 because here is 9 number. So 9 is odd number and we move forward on 3 table. Okay, and 3 3 the 9 and 3 3 the 1. So we get the factor by prime factorization method. These all the prime factor. Okay, these all the prime factor. These all the prime factor. So we given prime factor by prime factorization method. Okay, we given the factor by prime factorization method. So write these all prime factorization method here. Solution radical 2304. Okay, and we write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, and 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply 3. So here we choose the factor two pair. Okay, 2 factor is 1 pair. So here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we write 2 power 2. Sorry, black pen. 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2. So here we write the all number on power 2. So we write the in same row. Okay, and multiply and get the power 2 one time. So here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 3 the 16 multiply 3. 16 3 the 8 and 1 remaining 48. Okay, when 48 power 2, when we multiply 2 times by 48, multiply 48, we get this number. So we calculate the square root of 2304 is 48. Okay, this is the answer. Radical 2304 is equal to 48. Okay, this is the right answer. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch